to Chasing Cars 71 YouTube channel. We've come down today to Bicester Heritage for their motorsport assembly. It's Easter Sunday 2024. It's a chilly Sunday morning, but there's a reasonably good turnout. We're going to have a good look around now, some of the cars that have made the effort. It's a motorsport themed day today, so lots of race and rally stuff, starting off with this cool combination of an Evo 6 Mitsubishi being towed by a Pajero Evolution. What about that, eh? Perfect way to get your Evo Mackinnon to a track day. Tow it with one of those beauties. So the star of the show here today is this wonderful Ford Transit van. It's the World Rally Car Team Transit from 1999-2000. It's in full period livery, Martini. Ford, obviously the key sponsor from the heydays of M Sport running the Focuses in the World Rally Championship with Carlos Sainz, Lewis Moyer and Colin McRae, Nicky Grist. The car is here from Daventry, the new Ford Heritage Centre. They brought it over today as part of the show. So the van's got a current MOT last week, I think it was. It's got a staggering 12,000 miles on the clock. Obviously it's just been used for promotional purposes, but I think if you go on YouTube there is a video of them using it on Top Gear with Richard Hammond, where they were trying to find the fastest white van man driver. And they put this around the circuit track at Dunsfold, the Top Gear track. Stunning livery. So we've got this stunning Elfyn Evans Fiesta here, R5 Fiesta from Monte Carlo colours. We've seen this on the channel before. It's been here at the Scramble. Come out again today for the Motorsport Assembly, so owned by Steve Rockingham. Steve's got several rally cars in his collection, and this is a wonderful original Evans R5 Fiesta from the 2016 Monte Carlo. Wonderful.
Cool. Yeah.
That's it guys, we've had a good look around Bicester Heritage Motorsport Assembly. Hope you've enjoyed some of the cars we featured today. We'll see you on another video soon. I just want to leave you with one question. I wonder, in a race of the white van man, who would win, McRae or Sainz? What do you think? I think my money would be on Mr. McRae. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. Give us a subscription if you haven't done so already. More content coming soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.